Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find a value. Solution: 2 power a times 2 power a equal to 100. Now we are going to apply here express identity that a power m times a power n equal to a power m plus n. This express identity we are going to apply here. So we'll get here 2 power a plus a equal to 100. Now 2 power, add this power, 2a equal to 100. Now take a log on both sides. So log 2 power 2a equal to log 100. Now here we are going to apply log power formula so that this power comes before this log. So here log m power n equal to n log m. This log formula we are going to apply here. So 2a log 2 equal to log 100. Now this 100 can be written as 2 times of 50. So 2 log a 2 equal to log 2 times 50. Now here we are going to apply log product formula. Log ab equal to log a plus log b. This product formula we are going to apply here. So that will get 2a log 2 equal to log 2 plus log 50. Divide by log 2 on both sides. Log 2. This log 2 cancels this. So we'll get here 2a equal to log 2 plus log 50 by log 2. Now this can be written as a plus b by c equal to a by c plus b by c. This we are going to apply here. So 2a equal to log 2 by log 2 plus log 50 by log 2. Now this log 2 cancels this. So here we have 1. 2a equal to 1 plus log 50 by log 2. Now here we are going to apply this log formula. Log a by log b equal to log a base b. This we are going to apply here. So 2a equal to 1 plus log 50 base 2. Now we are going to divide by 2 on both sides. Now this 2 cancels this. Here we have a equal to 1 plus log 50 by 2. This is the a value. Now we are going to verify this with the equation that 2 power a times 2 power a equal to 100. Now recall this. Recall 2 power 2a equal to 100. Now we are going to apply this here. A value. Here a value is 1 plus log 50 base 2 whole divided by 2. Here 2 power 2a equal to 100. Now applying a here, 2 power 2 open bracket 1 plus log 50 base 2 whole divided by 2 equal to 100. Now this 2 cancels this. So we have 2 power 1 plus log 50 base 2 equal to 100. Now here we are going to apply this express identity that a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. This we are going to apply here. So 2 power 1 times 2 power log 50 base 2 equal to 100. So 2 power 2 log 50 base 2 equal to 100. Now we are going to apply this formula here. A power log b base a equal to b. This formula we are going to apply here. So 2 times 50, here 50 equal to 100. Here 100 equal to 100. So LHS equal to RHS. This is verified. Thanks for watching this video.